Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the comments. Let's get straight into it. Josh's Playground says, respect the elevator down. Thank you very much, Josh. Hoodput says, that's painful. You can... Yeah, yes, sir. So, somewhere in... when was this? Okay. I think 1 or 2 years ago, I kind of cut my fingertip. I was chopping... what was it? Chili, I think. Then my girlfriend was talking to me. I was like, huh? What? Chop, chop. So, oh my god! So I chopped a piece of my fingertip, and I went online to search, and it was said that as long as you don't hit the very bottom right of your fingertip, the very bottom where the fingernail comes out, right? If you don't cut that, you can always regrow your fingertip, no matter how deep it is. Even if you halved the entire nail, right? The nail section, even if you halve it, you can always regrow as long as you don't cross that that thing there, right? So yes, sir. Crypto Shiva says, brother, that's what you're, bro. Chill, bro. Chill. That's what your name is for, right? Chill. Okay, let's see. xFUND, your bro. You need to relax. Relax, bro. If and when xFUND does blast off, right, it's gonna take many months. It's not going to be so fast and fast and furious suddenly bam within 1 day or 1 week or in 1 month. We go crazy, right? We have a very clear target over here at 100,000. Of course, no guarantees, right? If we drop lower and take out these lows, that's it. We're moving on from xFUND. But for now, it still looks good, right? Because this looks like a squeeze to me. So everything still looks good. I feel this is a setup for a big blast off eventually. When? Well, again, I can't say for sure. But we're still in a downwards trend, right? We're still under the skinny pink line. So until you break above the skinny pink line, break the resistance convincingly, then yeah, until then, we're still in a downwards trend. So relax. And things can still go wrong from here. So yeah, I mean, of course, we hope for the best, but you want to be prepared for the worst as well. So there's just nothing much happening for the past, I don't know, since October until now. November, December, January. It's been 3 months of nothing. So yeah, we have been ranging at these levels. No big break has come on for xFUND yet, so relax. I'm going to assume you have a very big bag, so I think you may be putting on too much money onto xFUND. So yeah, again, relax. Christopher Baltimore says, thanks for all you do from one future millionaire to another. Justin Opinion says, thanks ETF approval for putting BTC down 10%. Let's all wait. Yes, sir. So it's down right now. There is a retrace right now. Small little retrace for 16%. Okay, it's not small exactly. But how much lower can we go for BTC? Again, I'm expecting it potentially to 37,000. There is significant support at 37,000. Again, we're still above the skinny pink line, even if you go to 37,000. So this means that yeah, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias. But there are some danger signs over here. Daily shooting star. On the weekly, it looks like a shooting star as well. There is selling pressure. On the monthly, oh my god, it looks like a shooting star as well. So there are triple shooting stars on 3 time frames. So okay, I'm a bit scared with this. When I see a shooting star on the monthly, I'm like, okay, bro, this is scary. We are just the 19th of January, so we have another 12 more days, to come back up, to make things green again. But if this if you're going to close January with a shooting star, this is not going to be good. And if you were to close it with a shooting star, I would anticipate us to drop to 37,000 and potentially drop to about 27,000 as well. 37, after that 27. But if we were to go to 27,000, we'll be going back under the skinny pink line. And if we go back under the skinny pink line, we could potentially drop even further to 20,000. Potentially. But of course, we'll take things one step at a time. For now, we hope that 37 will hold, or we may not even hit 37. We may just start reversing back up before January closes. But keep your eye out on the monthly close. Right, it's a bit scary. So yeah. Kate says, glad you're back, miss you. Hope all is good in your world. Appreciate analysis. Thank you very much, Kate. Fabio says, GOG. Okay, GOG is Guild of Guardians. Okay, let's look at GOG. Guild of Guardians. Guild of Guardians is... I don't know what GOG is doing. It's Right now, right, we actually had a target over here at 20 cents. We got this. When was this? November when we fit it. Let's look at this. 1, 2, 3, GOG. Ta-da! You see this? November 2021. We had a target over here. Right. 20 cents, we were saying very likely Guild of Guardians will hit towards 20 cents because this is an inverse head and shoulders. You see this left shoulder, very big head, and then there's a right shoulder. We're above the skinny pink line, which means that we're already in a bullish trend. So yeah, we're expecting 20 cents. This was 7 cents. If you had made a move over here at 7 cents, this would be more than 100%. And yeah, that's it. Where's this, yo, bro? Guild of Guardians. Yay, we've already hit it. I'm just gonna do it here. Guild of Guardians. Yes, sir, 20 cents. And we are consolidating. There was a deep retrace, but as soon as we retrace, it got pushed back up again. So, hey, that's good. That's good. There's buying pressure. That's good. This means that there's more upside to be expected for our Guild of Guardians. How much more upside? Again, we would love to see a chart pattern if possible. But sometimes, once the trend has started, the whales could be very impatient and we may not get a very nice consolidation, a continuation chart pattern. We may not get it and it may just start rising up from here. But I would expect Guild of Guardians to $1. $1 first. $1 first. 100x. We'll see about that. Skinny, could you chart gold, silver, and DXY? Sure. If you look at gold, it's looking pretty good, boys and girls. This is an inverse head and shoulders. Not textbook perfect, but something like that. Left shoulder, a big head, and a right shoulder. Pum. It was a fake out, and then we were back down, but we're kind of consolidating right on the resistance. So I think eventually we're still going to break out because we have a target over here. Ta-da! 2005, and we're expecting more upside for gold, right? You don't always get textbook perfect chart pattern, but there's a very clear resistance over here, which I think will eventually break for gold. If you look at silver, same freaking thing. Silver is even nicer. It's even nicer. It's an inverse head and shoulders. Oh, do you see this? So beautiful. The target for silver is $44. We're at 22. That's 100% from where we are. Almost 100%. So more upsides to be expected for silver. Big breaks are coming on for silver eventually, right? We are still in an accumulation. We're still consolidating over here. Even when the breakout comes, oof, it's going to be fast like this. So you're going to see that again happening over here. For silver. Ta-da! DXY, yes, so let's look at S&P 500, USD. Yeah, we're gonna form new highs. 5,000, yo, we're going up to 5,000. So more upsides to be expected for S&P 500. Just watch the skinny pink line. The moment you touch the skinny pink line, right, there's already a warning sign. Okay, we can touch this. We cross this and we cross back up. Okay, this is a get out rally. And after that, bear trend starts. Then we touch the skinny pink line again. There's another clue coming on that. More likely not gonna break it. Break it, and we stayed above it. Okay, we did touch it though, but there was a significant buying pressure coming in to push the price higher. And that's it. Sayonara, we're going higher. Ta-da! Welcome, hope all is well. Yes, sir, everything's good. Where's the skinny pink line indicator? 340 moving average. Thank you very much, Josh. Appreciate you, bro. So underrated. Hoping 2024 is your year. Thank you very much for the kind words. Hey, Skinny, where you been? Wishing you health and wealth. Ciao! What's this? 10th of January. Oh, I went to Bangkok. You can follow me on Twitter. You will see that. Hey! I went to a jazz bar over here. And she was quite good. Very nice jazz bar in Bangkok. Let me see. I went to a few jazz bars. Open maps. Yeah, okay, let's see. Jazz bar. Yeah, I went to Fujon. Fujon is good. It's a very good jazz bar. But the one that it's not Mojo. There's another one here. Where is this? Is this the one? Sirila, yes. Yeah, I was exactly here. I was here, seated here. Had a very good view of everything. And yeah, there was a lady here. The singer was here. Fly me to the moon and let me. Yeah. Pretty nice, Jasper. Civilai. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I was in Bangkok. So you can follow me on Twitter. Yeah, my kind of cookies. Right. Smoothies. There's a new shopping mall. Anyway, okay, we're very off tangent. So yeah, that's where I've been. Bait the chick. What's this? Nice video. It's refreshing to observe promising projects emerging within the Depin narrative. What are your thoughts on Subcareer? I have no idea. They're groundbreaking roofs. I have no idea, bro. Still on edge about DGNS. Any thoughts on potential inverse head and shoulders? I don't know, bro. DGNS is quite new, right? Yeah, 3 months. There's not going to be much data on it. Market cap is quite low, which is good. I like low market caps. So let's say, for example, it's 100,000. If it goes to 1 million, that's a 10x. 10 million, that's a 100x. 100 million, that's a 1000x. 1000x for 100 million. But I haven't really done any fundamental analysis on Degen Insure. Even the name is like, okay, I don't know about it. But we're in a squeeze though. Could we go lower? I don't know. That's why we always ask the question, is this the very low? Could we go lower? Right. This looks like a potential squeeze in the making. But I wouldn't make any move unless maybe DGNS comes back up over here towards the resistance line. Then okay, they will pick my interest. Then maybe we have a small little retrace before heading back higher. This is textbook perfect. But if you get it, great. I will be stepping in here. If we go in, I mean, if this happens, right? Because the reverse could happen as well, as we could drop lower, right? No guarantees. There's just no guarantees. So yeah, we're gonna have to observe and see. For me, I just don't see anything yet. Even if you were to come back up here and consolidate, right? The timeline might be like April. Again, it's pure guessing, so I can't say for sure. So yeah, there's no inverse head and shoulders. Ben is rock. Target price for next bull run is $50. Good luck to you. Tom says, hi Skinny, thanks again for more great analysis. You may have already explained this on the channel before, but I wonder what got you into trading initially. I have an aunt who is in the US, and she is a trader. Her job is trading the stock markets, and she's doing very well for herself. And she's sort of an inspiration. Oh yeah, she gave me this book, Technical Analysis Explained. It's the 3rd edition. I think right now, Martin J. Pring's TA book is at 5th or 6th edition. I don't know. This is a really old TA book. But yeah, this is a very good introduction for me into the world of technical analysis. And are you self-taught? Yes, I'm self-taught. No one taught me anything. Everything that I did was self-taught. All the trial and errors, right? Yeah. Hope you have a good rest of your week. Yes, sir. You too. You too. Can you add Bitcoin to your list when you do this? Hey, yo, bro. Where have you been? What? Did you buy ICP? Nope. Can you be the Kevin Learns investing for crypto? Who is this guy? Make a video on your crypto portfolio and I'll sub. Bro. Thanks, Skinny. Much appreciated. It looks like a BTC.D is heading back up. Can you maybe give your thoughts on where you think it's heading to when you do your comment section next? I think BTC dominance is at a resistance area. Right. We were saying that since, where was this? March 2023, we said that we will very likely hit 54% as the target. And so eventually we hit it in October. There was a little more rally, but after that, yeah, we topped out. There was a weekly shooting star. If you move to the weekly, you will see that we are hitting the skinny pink line. The skinny pink line is a very good indicator on whether if things are bullish or bearish. And last week, we got a bearish engulfing, right? So this is a bearish, bearish development. Even this is also bearish. 2 bearish signs over here. I mean, of course, out of nowhere, things can just rise, right? But there is significant selling pressure for BTC dominance. Right, we are near the top. Usually near the top, the volume will rise. So yeah, that's my take for BTC dominance. I don't think it's going to do well eventually, right? My expectation for BTC dominance is that eventually, I would expect, I mean, of course, I could be wrong, right? but this is very far in the future. I expect BTC dominance to do something like this, to form a descending triangle and to head lower, and potentially continue to consolidate and head lower to potentially, eventually, single-digit percentage. So that's my take for BTC. Altcoins and Ethereum especially is going to take a bigger chunk of BTC dominance. So yeah, and this is actually something that you could foresee if you've been studying the history of BTC, right? So yeah, if you go down the rabbit hole, you will understand why BTC may not be as as how to say as bright as other coins like Ethereum. So there we go. Okay, bro, where am I? Where you think it's heading to? And when you do your comments, yes, sir, just did it. Can TokenFi reach $1 ever? I don't know, bro. TokenFi. You need to come back down to earth. See, we've already invalidated this target. We were anticipating this low to hold, but we've already come lower and take out these lows. So it invalidates the target. So I would just start afresh, wait for, maybe we might get 3-wave down, right? Maybe we might get an ABCD kind of a chart pattern. But yeah, for me, I'll just move on. Skinny, I just finished Technical Analysis Explained by Martin J. Brink. Any other books do you recommend? Yes, sir. There's one by John Murphy, Technical Analysis of the Stock Markets. Yeah, on Amazon, you can find this. Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets, yo, bro. Yes, sir, this is the one. John Murphy's Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets. This is a very good book. There's also another book called it's the autobiography of Jesse Livermore. The guy is an absolute gangster. It's called Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. Yeah, this is the one. Oh, this is good stuff. This is a very good one. Very good one. Tells you about yo, bro. Wait, hang on. Jesse Livermore. Yeah, okay, this is the one. Yeah. So yeah, check this out. There's also another one by Jack Schwager. Jack. It seems like everybody's name is either John Murphy J, Jesse Livermore J, and there's Jack Schwager. Unknown market wizards. Oh my god, this is good stuff. You will learn what it means to have an edge as a trader. Where's this? Goodreads. Unknown market wizards, the best traders you've never heard of. So there was a trader reading his books. You should read all of Jack Schwager's books. This is book number 5. There was a trader who put on trades for oil based on the movement of oil tankers, right? Live, map, ship, marine traffic. And he was tracking all the oil tankers, all the movements of the oil tankers, right? And he put on trades based on that. I'm like, what? And that was his age. And he made a lot of money doing that. So I'm like, what? It's so interesting. So you can find a lot of unknown market wizards. There are a lot of wizards, true market wizards that people have never heard of. Very, because not everybody has social media. There are also successful traders that are closed to the world and they don't publish whatever that they are saying or doing, and these people are unknown. You wouldn't have heard of this person before. And Jack Schwager is unearthing and uncovering all these absolute wizards And it's very interesting though. You should check it out. So these are some of the books that you should read. Good stuff, very good stuff. Your analysis has helped me so much in learning TA. You are the man. Where are you based out of? I grew up in Singapore, and I think from the accents in Singapore. Good one. It's a good one. Can you do TA of Ghost? No, just did it. Just in segments 5. Thank you very much. Never trust a project. It depends though. It's case by case, but most projects are. That's why this is where technical analysis comes in, right? You want to identify, even if it's a shitty project, you can also trade it, right? Because we are here to make money. We're not here to, So if there's an opportunity for us to ride a wave, right, we are going to ride it, regardless of, whether it's successful or not. If you see a high quality chart pattern on a shit project, we are still going to take it. It's okay to do leverage 2x, 3x, 11x under the right circumstances. If it's a small separate account and okay. The city center of Warsaw. Hey, Polish. Are you Polish? The rent can be more than 70% of the median wage. I remember the last time I saw the Poland inflation rate chart. It was 18%. It's crazy. Yeah, it was 18%. I'm like, what? What? How can inflation be so much? It's like almost Zimbabwe or Turkey, Argentina. It's like, what? Okay, but Javier Milei is going to fix it. I hope. I don't know. We'll see. But 80% is crazy for me. Even 6% is also insane for me. I'm like, that's a lot. But yeah, man. So that's why we have no choice but to become rich, right? The middle class is hollowing out. And we are either going to be pushed into the haves or the have-nots. So at the end of it, you want to be on the right side, not on the wrong side. So yeah. Anyway, it feels bad, but you get it once you realize there's always a different trend. Yes, sir. We always move on. Good shots. Thank you very much. Thank you. No way will he be thanking me. I gave up the second time, so I tried to do the leg, but thanks for the thanks. Hope you're back. So yes, sir. I've been swimming every day. Great video again, Skinny. I have a question. What platform are you use? Yo, bro, this is TradingView. What am I doing? Thank you very much for the help. What advantage of using 214 moving average over? That's right. Why use 200 moving average? What's the significance of 200? What's the significance of 50 or 100 or 150? When a 50 and a 200 moving average crosses, you call it a crossover. But what's the significance? It's very random. It's so arbitrary. But 314 is 3.142. That's pi. And pi is used to calculate everything in the universe. Is used in physics. Is used in chemistry, computer science, everything. Pi in physics, right? It's used in everything. Where am I? Use of pi in maths. Pi is everywhere. It's in nature. It's in. It's used to build roads. You can see it in rivers. Anything that has a loop, right? You can apply pi to it. So that's why when you are looking at charts, right? You might think that charts are like, but if you look closely, charts. Okay, bro, what's this? Okay, if you look at charts, right? Charts are kind of circles. If you look really carefully, right? This is like a half circle, and this is also like a half circle, right? And if you close it together, it becomes a circle. You see that? It's a loop. It's actually a loop, and yeah, you can use pi, and it kind of works very well in telling us whether if the trend is bullish or bearish. Like for example, Bitcoin dominance, right? Look over here. We hit the skinny pink line, worked as a resistance, got slapped back down. Again, we're hitting it as a resistance. We're probably gonna get pulled back down, right? Even for Bitcoin as well, right? We look at it on Bitstamp. We look at it on the daily. You see much more clearer, right? The moment we touched the skinny pink line, right? This was already a warning sign. Yes, there was a rally, but this is a get out rally. Eventually, bam, we fell down. And then the moment we crossed it, that's it. Things turned bullish again. After that, we're down. Again, this is already a warning sign. All right, crossing it. Yes, there was a rally, and then bam, we slammed back down. And after that, we went back up again. And that's it. The bull run started until we hit it again. Again, this is a warning sign. Warning sign. There was a rally. It's called a get out rally. And after that, we crossed it again. And then of course, you got to apply chart patterns to it, technical analysis to it, and you'll see, oh, there's a head and shoulders. We crossed it, and then we failed to break back up again, and then that's it. Bearish trend starts. Right? We hit it. We came back down, and then we're up, and we're out. And we're above the skinny pink line. Trend is bullish. So as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias, and we continue trading higher. And this is how you can utilize the skinny pink line to tell you whether if things are bullish or bearish. Right? I find it to be more accurate than an arbitrary number of 200, 150, or 150, whatever the number is. So yeah, and it works across all time frames. Even works on the 1 hour time frame, right? 1 hour, 4 hours. You know, you can tell, and you can also trade based on the smaller time frames. Cross it, bearish. Cross it back up with volatility, big buying pressure, bullish. Cross it back down again, bearish. Bullish, and remain bullish until we touch it again, and then it's bearish. And look at this, we're crossing back down under with buying pressure. Selling pressure. See that? Even over here, you could already see that this was something like a mountain range, right? And this also head and shoulders. And what happened? Palm went down. So yeah, it works, bro. It works. It works. And that's the advantage. Skinny high five. Hi Skinny, thank you for your great analysis. I wonder why you don't have many more subscribers. I wonder too. You are such a likable, funny, and honest guy. Thank you very much. You are neither constantly advertising your paid Patreon membership, nor are you clickbaiting. Stay the way you are. Amazing. Many greetings from Germany. Thank you very much. Barscht. Fantastic. Hallo mein Freund. Hallo mein Freund. Guten Morgen. Gulau. Okay, guys. Hey Skinny, may you update us on the ADA? Yo, bro, I do this all the time. Hey Skinny, great here as always. I would like to know what price you expect Sierra to make top in the next bull run. I think I talked about this here. Top 30, top 40, I talked about it. So search out the top 40 video. Skinny, glad you're back, bro. Could you talk more about XYU, bro? Relax. Relax. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's comments reply. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I guess I shall see you in the next one. Have a great weekend. Ta-da.